Welcome to English Anyway, where we learn English, no pressure, no perfection.
Lucy, this room is trying to turn me into ice.
So the air conditioner is strong today.
Very strong. My hands are cold and my brain is slower than usual.
Today we will learn simple English for talking about room temperature.
Good. I need polite English before I become a frozen Benji.
First, say the problem clearly.
The air is too cold, machine.
I know what you mean. More natural is this. The AC is too cold.
The AC is too cold.
AC means air conditioner. It is the machine that makes the room cool.
AC is much easier to say than air conditioner.
Yes, both are okay. AC is common in everyday speech. You might say the air is too cold machine, and I understand the idea. But in everyday English, say the AC is too cold.
English wants the machine first.
Now say how you feel.
I become cold.
That is understandable, but more natural right now is this. I am getting cold.
I am getting cold.
Getting cold means you are becoming cold now.
So it is happening little by little.
Exactly. Contrast time. I am cold means you feel cold now. I am getting cold means you are starting to feel cold.
I am getting cold. It sounds like a warning.
Good. A polite warning. I am getting cold.
I am getting cold.
Once you say how you feel, you can ask for a small change.
Can we make it more warm?
That works, but more natural is this. Can we make it warmer?
Can we make it warmer?
Warmer means more warmer, one word.
So more cold is colder, and more warm is warmer.
Exactly. Cold, colder, warm, warmer. You can also ask for a short break from the AC.
Can we close the AC?
In English, use turn off for machines. Should we turn it off for a minute?
Should we turn it off for a minute?
Turn it off means stop the machine. For a minute means for a short time, not exactly 60 seconds.
Good. I do not need a math minute. I need a warm minute.
Should we turn it off for a minute?
Should we turn it off for a minute?
If you cannot change the AC, say what you need.
I need jacket.
Add my because it is your jacket. I need my jacket.
I need my jacket.
Good. Not I need jacket, say I need my jacket.
My jacket, my poor forgotten jacket.
It has a job today. I need my jacket.
I need my jacket.
Now let's practice out loud. Benji, this is for you and for everyone listening. Practice together with us.
The AC is too cold. I am getting cold. Can we make it warmer? Should we turn it off for a minute?
Good. Now change the feeling. You can say cold, hot, or tired. One option is this. I am getting hot. Another option is this. I am getting tired. Now everyone listening, make one sentence with I am getting.
Nice. Now let's switch. Ask for a small change. One option is this. Can we make it warmer? Another option is this. Can we open a window? Now everyone listening, choose one small change and say it.
The AC is too cold.
Yeah, I am getting cold too.
Can we make it warmer?
Sure, I can change it.
Thanks. Or should we turn it off for a minute?
Let's make it warmer first.
Good idea. I need my jacket anyway.
I have an extra sweater if you want it.
Nice. In that natural scene, we heard I have an extra sweater if you want it.
Extra means one more?
Exactly. It is a useful sentence when you can help someone. Today we talked about a cold room without sounding dramatic.
Mostly without sounding dramatic.
You can say the AC is too cold, explain your feeling, and ask for a small change.
Simple English, warmer room.
Before we go, we have one question for everyone listening. What is worse for you? A room that is too cold or too hot?
Tell us in the comments. We would love to read them and cheer for you.
Keep learning English any way you want, and I'll catch you in the next one.